Right now, as you watch this, you are the target. Not your phone, not your laptop, you. Because the easiest way into any account, any company, any life, isn't breaking a password. It's tricking the human behind it. That's social engineering, and in 2026, it's more convincing than ever. But here's the good news. Every one of these attacks leaves clues. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to spot all of them. You can have a strong password, antivirus, and every update installed, and still get hacked. Because attackers stopped attacking machines and started attacking people. Social engineering works by hijacking your emotions, fear, urgency, curiosity, trust, and your instinct to be helpful. When you feel rushed or scared, the thinking part of your brain switches off. And that's exactly the moment they'll strike. So let's go through every major type in use today. For each one, I'll show you what it is, the warning signs to spot it, and how to shut it down. Stay to the end. The final tip protects you against all of them at once. Phishing is a fake email pretending to be someone you trust. Your bank, a delivery service, a streaming site, designed to make you click a link or enter your password. How to spot it. Watch for urgency and threats. Act now or your account will be closed. Hover over links to see the real address before clicking. Look at the sender's full email, not just the name. Scammers fake the display name, but the address is often gibberish. And generic greetings like "Dear Customer" are a red flag. Protect yourself. Never click links in unexpected emails. Go to the site yourself by typing the address. When in doubt, contact the company through their official app. Spear phishing is phishing aimed at you specifically. Instead of a generic message, it uses real details. Your name, your job, your recent purchase, a project you posted about, to feel legitimate. In 2026, attackers use AI to scrape your social media and write messages that sound personal. How to spot it. Be suspicious when a message knows a lot about you and pushes you to act fast. Real contacts rarely combine personal detail with pressure. If a colleague or service messages from a slightly different address or number, that's a warning sign. Protect yourself. The more tailored and urgent a message feels, the more you should slow down and verify it through a channel you already trust. Phishing is voice phishing, a scam phone call. And this is one of the most dangerous attacks of 2026 because of AI voice cloning. With just a few seconds of someone's voice from a video or voicemail, attackers can clone it. Then they call you sounding exactly like your bank, tech support, or even a family member crying for help. How to spot it. Be alert to calls that create panic and demand immediate action. Money, gift cards, or codes. Watch for callers who pressure you not to hang up or not to tell anyone. A loved one in urgent trouble demanding secrecy and payment is a classic clone scam. Protect yourself. Hang up and call the person or company back on a number you already know. Agree on a secret safe word with your family that no scammer could guess. And never read a verification code out loud to someone who called you. Smishing is phishing by text message. Fake delivery notices, unpaid toll fees, bank alerts, or you've won a prize. All with a link. How to spot it. Look for unexpected texts with links, especially about packages, fees, or prizes. Real delivery and bank services don't ask for payment or passwords through a random text link. Shortened or misspelled web addresses are a giveaway. Protect yourself. Don't tap links in texts you weren't expecting. Open the official app or website directly to check. Quishing uses malicious QR codes. Attackers print fake codes and stick them over real ones. On parking meters, menus, posters, even parcels, sending you to a fake site the instant you scan it. How to spot it. A QR code hides where it's taking you, so treat every scan with caution. Check for a sticker placed over another code. After scanning, look at the URL preview before opening. If it doesn't match the business, stop. Be extra wary if it immediately asks you to log in or pay. Protect yourself. Don't scan random codes in public. Type the official website yourself when money or logins are involved. Pretexting is when an attacker invents a believable role and story to earn your trust. Pretending to be IT support, your bank's fraud team, a delivery driver, or a government office. How to spot it. Notice when someone you didn't contact asks for sensitive information or access. Real organizations don't mind being verified. Pressure, secrecy, Or I just need to confirm a few details from an unexpected caller or warning signs. Protect yourself. Stop and verify independently. Hang up and call the official number. Ask, can I call you back to confirm this? A scammer will resist. A real one won't. Baiting uses temptation. A USB stick left in public labeled confidential. A free download for a paid app or movie. A prize you didn't enter to win. The moment you plug it in or click, malware installs. How to spot it. If something is free, found, or too good to be true, be suspicious. Unexpected you won't offers and mystery USB devices are classic bait. Protect yourself. Never plug in unknown USB devices. Only download apps from official stores. MFA fatigue is a newer trick. If an attacker already has your password, they trigger login after login. Flooding your phone with approve this sign-in, notifications, over and over, betting you'll tap approve just to make the buzzing stop. How to spot it. A sudden wave of login approval requests you didn't start is a giant red flag. It means someone already has your password and is knocking on the door. Protect yourself. Never approve a prompt you didn't personally trigger. Always deny it. Then change that password immediately. If your app offers it, switch to number matching or a passkey. The most advanced attack of 2026, real-time deepfakes. AI can now put a trusted face and voice onto a live video call or voice message. A boss, a colleague, a relative, to convince you to send money or approve something. How to spot it. Look for unnatural blinking, lip movements that don't quite sync, odd lighting around the face, or a flat, slightly robotic voice. But the biggest clue isn't visual. It's the request. Any urgent demand for money or secrecy on a call should make you stop. Protect yourself. For any high-stakes request, verify on a separate channel. Call them back on a known number. Ask a question only the real person could answer. Never act on a single call alone. Now, the most important lesson. In 2026, you will not always see the attack coming. The email looks perfect. The voice sounds right. The face on the call is convincing. Spotting clues helps, but technology keeps getting better at hiding them. So here's the rule that protects you against every single one of these. When anyone pressures you to act fast, send money, share a code, click a link, or give access. That urgency itself is the warning sign. Pause. Then verify through a separate channel that you choose, never the one they gave you. Attackers run on speed and trust. The moment you slow down and verify, every one of these attacks falls apart, no matter how advanced it is. Quick recap of the warning signs. Phishing and spear phishing. Urgency plus a link. Vishing and voice cloning. A panicked call demanding money or codes. Smishing and quishing. Links and QR codes you didn't expect. Pretexting. An unexpected official asking for information. Baiting. Anything free, found, or too good to be true. MFA fatigue. Login requests you didn't start. Deepfakes. An urgent request from a face or voice on a screen. And the rule that ties them all together. If you feel rushed, pause and verify. These attacks all rely on one thing. Getting you to react before you think. Now that you can spot the signs, you've taken that power back. If this helped you, subscribe to CyberFact so you never miss an episode and share it with someone who needs it. Stay aware. Stay secure.